Aflatoxins are poisonous chemicals that are produced by certain molds which grow in soil as well as decaying vegetation, hay, and grains. They are regularly found in improperly stored staple commodities such as maize, groundnuts, cassava, millet, rice, and sorghum. When contaminated food is processed, aflatoxins enter the general food supply and can be fatal when ingested by both humans and livestock. Scientists are being urged to help rid the toxin, which causes liver cancer, among other complications from the food chain.
Organs affected, the liver and the spleen. It causes fatty changes and enlargement. It contributes 40% to liver cancer. Kidney, it causes chronic kidney inflammation leading to failure. Digestive system, it affects intestinal lining, decreasing protein, carbohydrate, and fat digestion. It inhibits nutrient and food absorption.
Currently, 41% of children under the age of 5 in Africa suffer from stunting due to feeding on contaminated food.
Also, that 16.6% of the children in Africa are underweight, while 41% of the children under the age of 5 in rural sub-Saharan Africa.
Over 1.2 billion people in Africa and Latin America are at risk from aflatoxin, since the toxin is known to contaminate maize, which is a staple for most people in those areas.
Maize, which is very susceptible to aflatoxin contamination, still remains an important staple to about 1.2 billion people in sub-Saharan Africa, but also in Latin America. It accounts for 30 to 50% of low-income household expenditures in Eastern and Southern Africa.
Tumusime said aflatoxin contamination is undermining efforts to ensure food sufficiency and food safety in Africa.
The toxin challenge therefore constitutes a significant threat to food safety, public health, food security, and undermines poverty eradication initiatives in the continent.
Experts asked African governments to boost the capacity of ministries of agriculture to train farmers to fight aflatoxin contamination.
To build capacity of the farmers so that whatever they produce is aflatoxin free. And also the post-harvest handling methods. There are simple methods that our rural farmers can be trained. And we need to train our extension workers and staff to be able to educate the farmers at the farm level.
They were speaking during the second partnership for aflatoxin control in Africa, PACA, held in Entebbe, Uganda. Judith Akolo, The Business Defined.